The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a special weather statement for Rabun. A strong thunderstorm will impact northwestern Rabun and southwestern Macon counties until 1:45 p.m. EDT. At 1:11 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 12 miles southwest of Franklin, or 8 miles southeast of Nantahala Lake. This storm was nearly stationary. Locations to be impacted include Otto, Rainbow Springs and Wayabald. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Dime-size hail and very heavy rainfall rates up to 2 inches per hour will be possible in these areas.